back. I'm right now at a red light. You guys are seeing me from this ugly angle because the camera holder just broke, and this is the only place the camera would stay still. You can see my double chin on my fat right here. But anyways, you guys know already when I start the video by myself, I have a surprise. So I'm gonna surprise Jerson with this not famous, but this trendy food that's been going around. He doesn't know what it is. I just told him it's something that I've been seeing that's been trending and I want to try it. Yeah, I'm right now on my way to go get it. Sorry, camera fell. Like I was saying, hopefully he likes it. I personally low-key think it looks gross, but I still want to try it, just because it's kind of trending. Okay, so I just texted him I'm outside. He says he's on his way, so I'm gonna go put on my mask and go get it.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we got the food. Now let's go home and have Jerson try it and see how he reacts to everything. Got home. The food smells good.
Just like onions, cilantro.
Onions and cilantro. So you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to try it? This is how short I am.
That's how tall I am.
Okay, so gonna set up the camera right here. You're gonna see our turtle tank. This one's yours. This one's mine. Are you sure it's video?
Oh yeah, there's a little big ass cup in here.
So everything is video.
I mean, you guys, that's how you guys eat it though. Birria.
You guys?
Yeah.
How insulting.
Mexican people, I'm sorry. Let there be light.
I tried. Okay, then this is for the other dish. I have not showed you guys this, so I don't think Jerson's seen this. But let me bring up the camera here because it has a lot of juice already coming out.
You're moving it too much. Forks and spoons. Right. First, I'm gonna let Jerson see it, and then I'll bring the camera closer so you guys can see it. Is that like agua chile?
Yeah.
Damn.
But it's agua chile rojo. It's the agua chile rojo. Never tried a red agua chile, so that's why I got it, so we could try it.
That should look spicy. What's in here?
That's another surprise. I'm pretty sure you've seen the trend of it, but you didn't know it's in it.
What the hell? Chopsticks? I like these.
You're gonna hear the kids in the back because they're entertaining the baby. We're gonna have the kids try this one because I don't think this one's spicy. We're gonna have the kids try this one.
Onions and cilantro. I love onions. Oh, hell no.
That's if you want to mix it. So do you know what it is?
Oh my god, it's Maruchan with I don't know what, huh? Like mixed with like sopa or some shit.
Maruchan?
Right? Is this a spicy noodle challenge thing?
No, it's not the spicy noodle challenge.
I'm about to say, I mean, I'm gotta work today. I ain't trying to stay in the restaurant all day at work.
You know what it is? You don't know what it is?
It's a cup of noodles, right? With
It's the Ramen Birria.
Oh, the ramen, that's fine. Ramen Birria.
That's what I meant to say. For those of you that don't know, I kind of know how to use these.
I don't, so I'm gonna use this.
So I'm a big lemon person. And I'm gonna put some lemon up in this.
Where's the birria? Show the birria. Look for it.
We're all the way
Where is
down
it? Where
there.
is it?
It's all
There's some chunks
the-
right there. Little bit. Oh, there you go.
Now that you guys saw a close up of how that looked. I like to smell everything. Look, it smells
What
good.
is this?
Huh? I don't know, but it smells like it has peanut butter.
What the hell? This? I'm gonna pour
It
it on.
does. Look, it's smelly.
Oh, it does. I don't like peanut butter, by the way.
I smell peanut butter and lemon. Look, you can even see the chunk of the peanut butter right there.
Oh, I'm not eating that.
Look, I don't know what this is.
Not eating peanut butter. Not a peanut butter person.
I'm a peanut butter person, so I'm gonna try it. But I'm not mixing it with this. You wanna try it?
Well, I'm putting the lemon right now. I mean the lemon, the onions and cilantro. Not whitewashing, be like cilantro. Well, even though you just say it like that.
I don't say it like that. You say it like that, don't you?
Cilantro. I'll say cilantro.
I'm sorry, it's not the cilantro you say in English. You say avocado, guacamole,
Oh, yeah.
guacamole.
Or like Peruvians say, palta. Word of the day, palta.
What's that? Avocado?
Avocado.
I guess.
Oops, I made a mess.
It's okay. Lo va a limpiar la sirvienta.
Oh, that's
¿Verdad,
true.
señora?
Ahorita no, doña. A rato que terminemos de comer. Alright, so... You're not even recording.
Huh?
Nah, just kidding.
I'll be like, what the hell? We gotta repeat that all over again.
Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready when you're ready.
You ready?
Yeah, why does yours look more better than mine? Anyways, let's go. Hey, so this is probably what, like...
El señor knew that this cup was gonna be mine. So he's like, let me do it nice for her.
Oh, this smells... Like... I should put on micheladas.
No, it's not. That's like some a salsa to put on there. This
Might
one's
as
good though.
well. I'm already trying it, so... Let's do it. Alright, stop.
Okay.
I'm sure you're gonna put it like that. I don't know what it is, so that's why just a little...
You should have tried it without it and then tried it with it.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not hot.
Uh-huh.
No, so I was gonna blow after.
What kind of box is it?
Está meeting
You like it?
sopa de vaso.
This is the one I was telling you guys earlier that I thought was gonna be nasty because it's ramen birria. I thought it was gonna be gross. Oh, look at you see Fat Boy right there. Getting my frame. He broke my frame last night. So there he goes trying to get another frame.
Hey.
He's like, let me in. Had to get up real quick. Wanna go pick up the baby's hair because it was all in his face. Here you go.
Now y'all here looking like Benny Sullivan when he had long hair.
And focus. He's happy. I gave him a lemon.
He loves the lemon. Who would you say he got that from? Eating
I
lemon.
guess you.
Me?
Because the other boys, they would do that ugly, nasty sour face when they try the lemon. So they wouldn't like it.
I'm a lemon person.
Vincent likes it. He eats it. He doesn't do that sour face look.
Really good. So far the ramen. thought they were gonna get something else. I expected birria low key, but I didn't think it was gonna be all this.
But it's not. This one is not from like those famous food trucks that's been that are trending. This is from like some guy that does it in his house.
Small business, always support them.
Yep.
Support your small businesses. Your local small business. Get started by me, assholes.
I did. Oh, where is it? Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, so you can see it.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
I'll leave the link down below to my Instagram with my tattoos.
Okay.
I got new needles by the way, so it's also good.
Let's try this peanut butter one.
Ugh, can't stand the smell
Oh,
of it.
look at it.
It looks good, I'm not gonna lie, but the smell is just
It's spicy. Oh no. Yeah. It's not spicy, it doesn't have flavor, it's just spicy.
It was enough for me. 2, 1, go!
Okay, now next person that's gonna try is Tristan! So we haven't really introduced the kids on here. You guys have seen them, but not formally introduced. So roll call, Tristan!
Okay.
Come here.
This is Tristan, the oldest of 4. He's gonna be the future ninja.
The oldest in the game. So Tristan, alright. So you're gonna try this.
That looks like spaghetti.
It's
fried-
noodles.
fried
It's ramen
noodles.
noodles. Okay, go ahead, try it. I haven't put chili in there.
I'm showing the birria here. It's good.
I don't want to try it.
Just try the noodles. They're good.
It's just trying it, that's it. I want to get it for you?
You know what I need a lot of things from me that your mom gets. And this is one of the good ones actually.
For what?
Like things that you'll get.
Cool. Good.
He also likes to smell. Right from her.
Good smell. Take a bite. No, take a bite.
Take a whole bunch, dude. It's just noodles.
Did you like it?
It's a little sour.
Is that because I put a lot of lemon?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Ah, you liked it, huh? You liked it, huh, dude? Okay. Next one. Mingo. Mingo. Mingo, Mingo. Get your ass over here.
Say hi.
I know you want to be in the kitchen, huh? Chill the cheese man.
I'm sweating because this is hot. Not hot, spicy, but like hot.
Pues, Mingo. A ver,
Just
you're supposed
noodles.
to try it.
Just noodles. Go ahead. They all have TikToks, by the way.
When you didn't make it. Jason! Roll call. Okay, now here comes Jason. Good. On this side, right
This
here in the
side,
middle.
right here.
In the middle. Did a little experiment, dyed his hair. Okay, so
What? I'm
try
right here.
it. Just try a little bit, okay? All you do is just bite a little bit. Bite what's hanging. Go,
Like this side only.
go.
It's good. Tristan liked
Come
it.
on.
Jason tried it too. He liked it.
Everyone's trying it.
He said, yeah. 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 Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
You didn't even try it. Did you like it?
No.
Yeah. I tried. He wanna try it. Okay, so before you get full with that, I'm gonna put this on my side to enjoy it a little bit later on. But now we're gonna try this one. We're gonna try the aguachiles rojos.
Or restaurant at my job.
Now monkey over here.
Hey, what are you doing? No, this is spicy and this is
Here.
spicy.
You want a chip? Okay. Go with your brothers. Go, 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 go. Okay, let's now for this one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some of that palta, some of that shrimp.
Some onions on mine.
Lots of onions. Compared to mine.
Okay, ready?
It's spicy.
No, it's not.
To me it is. I need water. Oh, shoot.
It's not even spicy, dude. Jason, I don't even taste the spiciness. Really?
Maybe it's the pepino.
The pepino? I didn't try pepino. Let me try pepino. It's not spicy.
Okay. Water.
Goodness, you baby.
I mean, it's good. I like seafood in general. But,
I don't taste the spiciness.
I do. God damn it, the shrimp's still alive.
Still on the whole. And he's back.
Should I become YouTube famous soon?
So, since we're already on here, Jason, you want to tell them the news?
What is?
That we're having a baby.
Wow. Pregnant.
I understand. No, I'm not. But
You got nothing?
we might.
No, don't come up with that right now. I'm enjoying the food. Ugh. God damn it, that's just good, but fucking spicy. Man.
Enchiladas?
Did that go so it's really not?
I don't know if you could try it. Eh? Who does it look like? Me or him?
Yes, God. Haha.
My puppy. My baby. Okay, so we introduced you guys to the kids. What else? I guess just talk about sorry for not posting.
We've been lazy, to be honest.
Yeah, there's nothing really. We can't think of anything to post. Oh, look at Tristan come back to mom.
You liked it. You want to try some of what's the same thing? Huh? Just that mine has like meat. You want some meat?
Mine
Yes.
has meat soup other than the bottom.
I mean, she has the same thing, but it's all the way at the bottom. This is the thing you eat in the tacos
Oh,
too.
yeah, I know.
Oh, never mind.
Like, nah. Well, yeah, but we have like a video or two coming for the boys' birthdays.
Okay.
We got 2 birthdays coming. Another birthday here.
Actually, give me ideas of what to do for my birthday. He got issues. But when I hit him, he cries. Si no te vas a llevar, no juegues, güey. Because when I hit him, he starts crying. It's not fair. You gonna do it? You embarrass me in front of people? Okay.
So, Vincent's what, a year and 2 months already?
Yeah.
He has not said mama.
He says everything but mama.
Yeah. I've been trying. He's been saying it, but he only says it once, and then he sees how excited I get, and then he stops saying it.
He's like, no, I'm not saying it.
Mama?
He said it.
He said it! Why did you got it on tape? Mama.
He's like, I feel sorry, whatever, I'm gonna say it.
Say it. He won't say it again. Mama. Mama.
Can I break this?
Yeah, we were country. Mama. Mama.
Say mama and I give you a treat.
Mama. See, he's
Mama.
not gonna say no more.
Again. So yeah, any ideas for my birthday would be nice.
We're quarantined. You're not doing nothing for your birthday. You're getting the same thing I got. Quarantine birthday this whole year. We'll celebrate our birthdays big next year.
Yes.
Oh, I got the big one.
I ran out of video. I think. Yeah.
I like it.
Don't worry, we'll leave the link down below where to get all this.
Yeah.
In case you guys want to try them.
So he only, right now he only has 4 dishes. He has the Ramen Birria, the agua chile rojo. He has agua chile piña serrana or serrano, whatever the word is.
Serrano.
I don't know. Thank you. He has the traditional birria without the ramen. I didn't get that one. I didn't want to. But yeah, he just has those 4 dishes right now. I know, and I think he does cakes. I haven't tried his cakes, but it's like the normal like cake. No fancy design
He looks like Bella.
cakes. So yeah. Brusto.
Brusto. No, you're not spot. Let me get a napkin, please, again.
Sirvienta. You see alfalfa right there?
Alfalfa. He likes to eat a lot. Way too much.
I mean, I don't know where he got that from. I'm a fat ass. He's a fat ass, so.
Makes sense. You know, you connect the dots. So we're thinking of doing a mukbang, guys, with food, and maybe another one, or just one.
You want to see Jason do the spicy noodle challenge?
I gotta get some down. But excuse my language, I was gonna cuss a lot. Anyways, I'm thinking of doing a mukbang, chatting somebody up. So we are actually looking for a special guest to come out in the video. What are you doing? So I could do them a tattoo of their choice or mine or ours, don't matter. I will be chatting somebody up for free. While doing the video.
Where's your ponytail?
That's true. So anybody wants to get tatted, let me know. I will leave the under the description the Instagram to my tattoo page in case you guys are interested. And
Yum yum.
we'll probably do like
Said she loved.
we'll probably do Korean food as a mukbang after.
Ooh, you could do that one too.
Korean food.
You guys want? We'll do a mukbang. We can do a mukbang with our favorite Korean food. Mine. No, I don't know about you.
I'll do my favorite Peruvian food and then her favorite Peruvian dish, and yeah, we'll see where that goes from there. What do we talk about? You guys let us know. Oh, we'll just make one up. Start checking the descriptions now more often because we will be leaving links to either our social medias, things that have to be related to videos, questions, answers, ideas, you name it. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay, so hopefully you guys like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you already reached to this part. Like it, share it. If you're new and you're just browsing and you found our video, go ahead and subscribe.
Check out our old videos.
And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys on the next video.
So